Welcome to the Thor Freedom Elite Class C motorhome. Now this is one of the most unique floor plans I've ever been in. Let's check her out. Now, before we get into all the design and excitement in the back of this rig, I want to talk about what I absolutely love up front. This Thor Freedom Elite is on a Mercedes chassis, which you know is safety and security on the road and quality that is, well, unparalleled. I love the infotainment system, y'all. It is touch screen. We have that gorgeous touch screen nav, satellite radio, CarPlay, all the bells and whistles. This is what I love as a passenger, because my husband and I will cuss each other. Are y'all like that? When we get in, I need my space, he needs his space. You've got areas for not only your drinks, but you've got your information area, his information area. Everything is, look at that, the heating, it's your space. Rear backup camera. Yeah, rear backup camera built right into the rear view mirror. It's the little details that Thor did, but having that innovative technology that I absolutely love. And you know I love a captain's chair. This sleek black leather finish. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Now, let's go check out the rest of this ride. Now, this Class C already has this slide out open. That's why it is so expansive. And really, it's almost the entire side that slid out, which gives you all this expansive space. You've got the TV on a swivel mount, so storage right behind. Undermount sink, y'all, absolutely gorgeous, stainless steel, high-rise faucet, matte black finish, love. You've got these great cabinets, and I love this color. So this finish is very light and airy with matte black hardware, and it gives it a very elevated feel. And with 84-inch ceiling throughout, it's a very high profile for a Class C. Now we've got a 3-burner cooktop, and below is a microwave. So again, great use of space when not having a full range. Fridge right behind, and great storage. Huge pantry. Now, we haven't even touched the dinette yet, but I want to point out that we do sleep 4 to 5 comfortably in this rig. The overcab bed sleeps too, and it has an 800-pound capacity. Why that's important is really for storage when you're driving. I love being able to store up to 800 pounds above the cab, and that gets back to having that Mercedes chassis and that level of quality and safety when you're on the road. Now, in the dinette area, what I love is they thought of wireless charging right here on the tabletop, but there's also a USB port as well. So whatever way you need to take care of your technology, you're ready to go. And look at this storage, y'all. Great, deep, look how deep. Great under dinette storage, and of course above as well. And I love that this just jackknifes down. And again, another sleeping area. Who doesn't love that? Smart design gets me every time. Now, I told you all this is one of the most unique floor plans I've ever seen for 2 reasons. Like I said, the slide really is the length of this rig, which is so great and gives you that width and space and airiness. But also, this is a sofa Murphy bed combo. I know, queen bed. Now, the pillows Velcro off. You get to pull this right down. It's hooked in, so you have the bungee ties for safety while on the road. And y'all, you get a queen bed. And there's a privacy curtain, the length of the bed, if you've got other people that need to slide through to the bathroom, because it is a rear bath. Let's check it out. Now, like I said, this unique floor plan just keeps going. I love a pocket door because you don't have this swing with all this storage. Great use of space. And you have a full-size wardrobe in the bathroom. It's brilliant, very deep, goes back. You have all this extra space and drawers for more storage. Double medicine cabinet all the way to the ceiling, and having those dual mirrors elongates the space so that everything is taken to the ceiling at this 84-inch height. Really gives you the feeling this is so, so big. Gorgeous shower with a handheld sprayer and a skylight. Now, even with the slide in, you still have accessibility straight back to the bathroom, which is fantastic while you're on the road. And you can still get into the fridge. Not with full swing capacity, but you can definitely access it. This Thor Freedom Elite really did think of everything. Oh, this Thor Freedom Elite just gets better and better with this mega storage. By the way, all of it is underlit. Don't you love that? I love smart design. We've got a 4,000 watt Jenny, more storage on the other side, and an outdoor shower. Did I mention there's also an awning and LED light? And there isn't much that they didn't think about on this. So get into your local Camping World today and check her out. We'll see you soon.